Hello, this is Wheeled and Well Armed today, and I wanted to talk about having fish antibiotics for spinal cord injury people in a time of crisis, and only to be used when you cannot talk to your doctor and the pharmacies are out or not working. A real SHIT hits the fan situation. So the first one I was going to talk about would be amoxicillin. These would be used only when you're currently getting them. I've been injured for 20 years and in a wheelchair. I know what my doctor prescribes, and there are three antibiotics that he uses. One is amoxicillin, and from Thomas Labs, this is called FishMox FORTE. Second one is called FLOX, and this is CPRO, used for spinal cord, UTI infections. And then the third one is when I have a swollen knee or a swollen leg or start to get MRSA, I'm always given the sulfur drug. Also, when I start to get a swollen knee or a leg, I also seem to get a UTI at the same time. So that's when we always have the sulfa. There's also a nurse's book on guide to drugs, and this covers 4,100 drugs. This is available, very affordable, $12 range on Amazon. And according to the Patriot Nurse, these drugs can be kept safely with research 5 years past their expiration date if kept in a cool, dark place. We've got a backup refrigerator that's down in the basement. It's mostly dark. I've got a airtight, watertight box I'll keep them in, and I'll keep the book. All three of these antibiotics will fit in this box easily and in my basement refrigerator, and they're good for 5 years past the expiration date. So what I did was I wrote, since they're good for April 2022, so I put April 2027 in big letters, just so I'd be able to see. October 2027, and then the sulfa is good to June 2027. So I'll keep all those in. Read or look at the video from the Patriot Nurse. I'll put a link for that at the bottom as well. And this is Will and Well Armed, and as a formal Eagle Scout, be prepared. Thank you.